Good day, children. Hope you all are fine and keeping well. Okay, now we start the fourth session of English 2. In this fourth session, children, I am going to provide you with 4 worksheets. What is to be done with the worksheets, children? You are going to do them on your own. Now, in this video lesson, I shall tell you how to attempt true and false in class 4. In your previous classes, you had done only writing true and false. But in class 4, you just cannot write false and leave it like that. If the sentence is given to you and you find that the statement is false, you cannot just write false and leave it like that. Because if you write false, you will not get marks, children. You have to write the correct statement. I think I am clear. Now I am going to demonstrate this to you or show it to you through a particular example. See, in the board I have written write true or false. Then I have written correct the false statement. What have I written? Correct the false statement. That means if the sentence is true, okay. If the sentence is not true, what do you write, children? You write false. And after you write false, what do? Do you leave it like that? No. You have to write the correct statement. See, on the board I have written Heidi was a strong woman. You have all read the chapter thoroughly, good children. Do you think Heidi was a strong woman? No, definitely not. It is a false statement. So I shall write false. Then what do? I shall write the correct statement. What is the correct statement, children? The correct statement is Deti was a strong woman. Clear? Now come to number 2. I have written Selvi became Kanna's friend. What have I written? Selvi became Kanna's friend. This is from the chapter Kanna Panna. Do you think it is right? No, it is false. Again, you will write false and you will write Murugan became Kanna's friend. So children, I think I am clear to you. I shall provide you with a PDF file of my first worksheet, and in that worksheet I shall give you a clear picture of how to write true and false in class 4. You will go through it properly, and then after going through it properly you will get a clear picture, so that in future when we do revision work or during examination, you will be able to write everything properly. In the other 3 worksheets, you will be given certain material which you will do on your own and correct on your own. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors. Thank you.